know, I mean, yeah, maybe yeah. I can't handle it if I think, um, you know, my son's upset or my granddaughter's upset or something. I